All right, today we're going to bring a nice wooden fan. We're actually going to set up in the shop this one because we actually need air in here. It's very hot in here. We're going to set up multiple fans. If you guys can see, this is what you get when you get something like this. So you get the manual itself, you get the remote control with the control module, you get the motor itself, and you get two different kinds of extensions. Depends on how high do you want it from the ceiling. We do have high ceilings, so we might have to use the longer one. So you get, and they give you the bolts and the nuts and everything that is required. So let's go ahead and show you where it's going to be at. Currently, we have one up there right now, and it's a great fan. We're going to set the other one right parallel to it, maybe on this side, so you could get extra air around it. But 3 or 4 of those are great. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. So when you take this off on the existing one, don't put it on yet. You got to make sure you follow the instructions. Putting the plates first prior to setting the last top, all right? Putting this in here. Make sure that this is the rubber end, goes all the way down. And then we're going to put the plate. There's a different plate in here. If you guys can see that, this plate goes in here. This plate goes in here. This is the last part. And you got to make sure you find the little indentation here. Put that in there. But we're going to drop it for now. And what you need to do is get the little brace that I have here. Here it is. Put that in between here. Like that. And then you twist this all the way to the top. You bring it to the top, right? But you got to make sure you find the little hole that we are looking for. This hole right here. And this is where actually we're going to put this hole in here. So you make sure it goes in there. That's where the actual ground goes. Hardest part here is just putting the metal plate on the wood on the actual base itself. So we're setting it up here so we could set it up there. So it's because they're a little high. We got to make sure we put the piece of wood and everything going. We got the stairs. All right. Yeah. I'll put the ladder. Too high. So here we have the fan control. We got the power. We don't have an LED, but you have an option to add an LED. You got level 1 all the way through 6. You got different hours, 1, 4, and 8 hours, and then different breezes, different styles. And then this could go back home, your timer, and then you could turn off the audio every time it beeps. You have your power on. You got your forward and reverse. All right, here we have the fan set up in our warehouse. It's extremely hot, but it's working beautifully. This one has up to 6 speeds right now, and right now we are in level, what level are we in? 6. We are in 6 right now.